The 360-degree action camera market is about to get a major shakeup as DJI steps in with its first-ever 360 camera, the Osmo 360. After a string of leaks revealing everything from packaging to specifications, including 8K video recording, 120-megapixel still photos, and even Australian pricing, DJI has officially confirmed the launch date, July 31st at 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This marks DJI's boldest move yet against Insta360, the reigning leader in the 360 camera space, and poses a big question for creators. Should you wait for DJI's Osmo 360 or stick with the well-established Insta360 X5? At the heart of any camera is the sensor, and leaks suggest the Osmo 360 will feature dual 1/1.28-inch sensors, the same size found in the Insta360 X5. These large sensors promise better image quality, improved dynamic range, and low light performance, which are crucial for action and outdoor shooting. The X5 already excels in this area, offering sharp, vibrant visuals even in dim conditions, thanks to its pure video mode and AI noise reduction. If DJI can match or exceed this with strong HDR processing, it could make the Osmo 360 a compelling alternative. Video resolution is a critical benchmark, and here both cameras appear evenly matched. The Insta360 X5 supports 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.7K at 60 frames per second, and 4K at 120 frames per second. DJI's Osmo 360 is expected to offer similar recording options, along with HDR video and possibly a flat log color profile for advanced color grading, something professionals will appreciate. These features would make the Osmo 360 ideal for creators who need both flexibility and high production value in post-processing. Where Instagram 360 currently dominates is software. Its app is packed with features like auto reframing, AI-driven editing, and object tracking, making it incredibly user-friendly. DJI has its Mimo app, which works well for its other products. But 360-degree content editing is a different challenge. It remains to be seen whether DJI will enhance Mimo or launch a new dedicated app. Without robust software, even the best hardware will struggle to deliver a seamless experience. Leaked images of the Osmo 360 show a design similar to the X5. Compact, rugged, and equipped with dual ultra-wide lenses. The Insta360 X5 boasts impressive durability, being waterproof to 49 feet, 15 meters, and offering replaceable lenses for long-term usability. Whether DJI matches these specs is unknown, but given its track record with action cameras, we can expect a strong build focused on adventure-ready reliability. Battery and storage battery life remains a question mark for DJI, whereas the Insta360 X5 offers a 2,400 mAh battery with endurance mode. DJI will need to meet or exceed this to compete seriously. Both cameras are likely to support microSD storage, with the X5 already handling up to 1 terabyte cards, which is crucial for large 8K files. An internal storage option from DJI could be a smart differentiator. The X5 includes wind noise reduction and decent onboard mics, though many opt for external gear. DJI could leverage its experience with audio systems by integrating the Osmo 360 with the rumored DJI Mic 3, possibly launching alongside the camera, a move that would boost its appeal. Pricing could decide this battle. The Insta360 X5 is a premium device, and DJI may aim to undercut it or add value through bundles and extended support. DJI has used aggressive pricing before, so a similar strategy wouldn't be surprising. With the official July 31st launch just days away, it might be worth waiting before making your decision. If the leaks hold true, DJI's Osmo 360 could become a serious rival to Insta360 and even set new standards in the 360 camera market.